Studying chemical engineering challenges you to embrace the future. It's the idea of giving back to society and making a real difference. Chemical engineering is so versatile. It provides you with the relevant skills in a variety of fields, including mathematics, machine learning, reaction engineering, thermodynamics, and sustainability. You're constantly progressing, and the facilities, including the 24-hour computer labs, allow you to put your learning into practice. Lecturers encourage you to think independently, teaching you to solve problems creatively, look at challenges from a different perspective, and train you to be more analytical in your thinking. The course has strong industry connections and is accredited by the IChemE, which shows employers what you're learning is relevant in today's climate. Guest lecturers include industry experts and alumni. They engage with us, and this provides great networking opportunities. Going on placement, having support from career advisors, and participating in nationwide career fairs has helped me understand what employers are really looking for and how to approach them. Studying chemical engineering has provided me with skills for life.